It's a coalition of Christian churches that's been in existence for almost 50 years to help the needy in our community.
We're dedicated people, and we want to help our neighbors in need. So we just kind of stick around. It makes you feel good, but that's not why we're here. We're here to help other people overcome poverty.
The Child Development Center was the first action taken by ACCA almost 50 years ago. Fred and Emily Ruffing started a daycare center in the basement of their house to try to fill a need in the community for quality daycare that would allow parents to work and earn a living for their family and know that their child was in safe and secure hands. We have grown since that time to occupy the old Annandale Elementary School and have a capacity for 183 children.
I was looking through the Golden Gazette and I saw it and I couldn't believe what I was reading. So I decided to call the number because I knew I had some things to be done, and I called to see if I qualified. They did the gutter work. They replaced the fence. They cut back the azaleas. They removed the tree stumps out here. They built a beautiful shed that's behind me. They measured how much fertilizer we would need. They went and got that.
Well, it's a very collaborative arrangement. We work with the county. We use all of the county staff people to do all of our vetting, so that anyone that needs furniture dials one phone number and that links them with the county. The county interviews them, and if it approves of them, they fill out a form, fax form that comes into our home, and that's what we use for our deliveries, which we're doing right now.
Family Emergency Assistance provides financial assistance to very low-income people for rent, utilities, medicines, prescriptions, and some medical equipment. And then we have a large miscellaneous category of other. We might include in that gasoline for a car so people can get to work or go to a job application. Air conditioners for people in the summer, especially for the elderly or for people with infants and very small children.
When the child care was started in someone's home, eventually they realized people needed food, and they got the idea of starting to collect food for these families, and then eventually it went on and became the pantry that it is today. The county has given us a double-wide trailer. It holds a lot of food. It's like a small grocery store. We have refrigerators and freezers, so we're able to get produce, frozen meats, milk, cheese, in addition to all of our canned goods and our boxed goods.
Coordinated services planning, we get approximately 390 calls on average per day from the residents of Fairfax County that have various needs. Most of those calls are related to basic needs. ACCA is a very strong partner for CSP, and there's many instances where ACCA volunteers have gone above and beyond to help to meet the needs of the family, whether it's facilitating assistance to avoid evictions, getting emergency medication for families that may have some sort of an illness where they're not able to reach services elsewhere, as well as keeping the lights on, sometimes in utility disconnection situations. The volunteers and the partnership between ACCA and CSP has been very strong. ACCA volunteers have been flexible, they're always very dependable, and it's definitely one of our community-based partners that we're able to count on to meet those needs.
This is all I can say, is that anybody who uses the program will be grateful for the rest of their lives. And an elderly person, I'm telling you the way it is a gift from God. And all of these churches, God bless them, because they're doing God's work, and that's important.